Hey guys, what's up? It's Joshua and welcome back to another video. Today in this video I'm going to be doing Room Tour 2024. So as you know, I've done loads of room tours, as you can see. Loads. So now, well not loads, I've done like 3 I think. This is my 4th, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, this is 2024 and this is pretty much just an update of what my room now looks like. So let's get into it. So as you walk in, you've got my bed. Here we've got a Stranger Things poster. Here we've got my family wall and my posters. I've got my bed, pizza. I love pizza. Not pepperoni pizza, just margarita. Anyway, that's besides the point. Yeah. So you've got my bed, posters, a poster. This is my recording light that I use for my YouTube videos when I'm sat at my desk. And yeah, so I've only just got this, so my lighting should be better now in my videos. So that's good. Anyway, so as you walk in, that's what you've got in front of you. On your left, you've got my table. It's got my lamp on. It's got random stuff. And I've got my Hershey's here from my previous video. I've got my drawers with like DVDs in. And then I've got chocolate from my Easter video. And then just like wires and random stuff in my bottom one. Then above the table, I've got my Blackpool towel that I just put on the wall, because why not? And around my door, I've got LED lights, which at night, then up there, it'll light will be up there. So that's cool. Next to the table, I've got my desk. TV, this is a new TV. My old TV wasn't a smart TV, but this one is, so yeah, that's why I got a new one. Here, above, I've got my speakers, CD player, speaker. Stranger Things posters 1 to 4. And then here, got my cupboard. I'm still not going to open it. And then, yeah, my chair, as always, been just random stuff under there. Like an Easter egg, I got my video Prime, I tried in my previous videos. A spare lamp, stuff like that, a mini fridge. But yeah, and here, I've just pulled out things. Got my Easter card from Easter video. Got a lot of Easter videos and old things like Prime, Easter, Hershey's. Got loads of old video stuff still. Anyway, next to my desk, we've got a whiteboard for like all my magnets. And here I've got my gaming in process sign. It can, light up. Same with this. Yeah, pretty self-explanatory. Here, under my cupboard, I've got this ball. Let me just show you. It's one of them where there you go. Like when you touch it, it like goes to your fingers and stuff. Yeah. Next to that, I've got an Alexa. Here, I've got a humidifier. Let me just show you. So it just like blows out mist. It's supposed to help you and stuff. But yeah, let's keep that on. Next to it, I've got my Hellfire Club and the Harry Potter picture. Underneath, I've just got this built today. I've got some Funko Pop figures. I've got I conquered Blackpool Tower, trophy. I've got a crocodile thing I got from Chester Zoo. More pop figures. I don't know what to put on them shelves yet, but down here I have a waist just in case it falls. You never know. Safety first. And then there I've just got a figure of Batwoman, I think. I don't know. Here I've got my heater. Here I've got my badminton racket. It's my lucky badminton racket. I like to think it's lucky, but it's probably not. So yeah, overall that's it for now. That's everything over that side of the room. Now on this side, there's not much here. It's just my bed, like I've shown you. It's my brother's bed, because he's got a bigger one now, as you can see. It's the same size as mine. And he's got some Marvel posters. as you can see. And here we've just got, I've still got this in the same place as has been like in every other video. I've got this with my brother's books for when he goes bed. This is the, what's it called, bedside cabinet. And I think that's pretty much it. This is an overall look at my room. Hope you guys can see that. It's my desk area. And yeah, I think that is about all my room. That is going to be it for this video. If you do want more like this, then, well, I don't know, I'll do it every year. Next one will be in 2025. But yeah, that's the only one for this year. That's the end of this video. So if you did like this video, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!